If Japanese products are true to size, are they also true to quantity?
Okay mga kapizza, naranasan nyo din ba na tanungin yung sarili nyo kung totoo ba yung sinasabi ng label? It says 270 couplets. Pussy. Sabi nila doon sa review, amoy fish daw to eh. Contains fish, that's why. Medyo lang. Okay, I'll go start counting. Tignan natin, baka may natira pa eh. Okay, good. Totoo nga, 270. Good job, AFC Collagen White Beauty.